Welcome to Riot Doors. Today I'm going to be fishing with my buddy Karson and with his rival Ukena. So I'll see you when I get there to the pond.
Alright, start. Timer starts. Let's go. What I like to do is I like to cover this water, fish along the bank with a torpedo or whatever it's called. The river. I didn't even catch one. So yeah, but I'm gonna cast along this bank, try to catch with top water, baby. It's been working so far. There's one. There's one. Lucky lure, baby. Revolver, on the old revolver, along the bank. It's not a 4-pounder, but something to get us some. I'm not even fishing the contest, but I still got more than Ukena. I got 2. Very grassy along the bank. It's very grassy along the bank, but I feel like they're betting over here. Ukena and Karson. See this? This is nice grass area. I'll throw a Texas rig along the grass. It's the best. That's the best for me when I do. We can catch a couple more. Oh, Nick almost caught 3. So oh, nice.
That's a little baby. Little turd out there. Hey, I'm gonna pick you up, alright?
Oh, Nick.
That's 3. He's hooked like.
That's 3 for Nick, but he's not in the challenge.
You're hooked like.
But he's still past Ukena.
You're hooked like 4 different places, buddy.
Oh yeah. Nice job, Nick.
Thanks.
So Karson has 4, and
3.
You got 3. Karson has 4. Ukena has 1 still. Updated. You know what? I said I was.
Fish right there.
Karson got 5.
I've got 3.
Oh, Karson caught 5. I'm gonna try these Bojangles. Best baits in the whole wide world. Bojangles right here.
Shout out Kendall J.
Yeah, shout out. Bojangle.
I'm using an old-fashioned spinner.
Nick's using an old-fashioned spinner. It's catching more than Ukena still. I'm just fishing for fun, so you know, just trying out some new baits. I haven't tried this one out in a while. Hopefully I can catch a couple with this one. I forgot what this thing's called, but it'll catch fish, that's for sure. I feel like this reel is, need to fix this reel. It's not. "12 minutes left." Update, 12 minutes left. Karson's so far taking the W. All right, let's see it. Gosh. Another one for Karson. Another one for Karson. Six for Karson. One for you, Keener. Let's see. Might go back that grass area, that drop off. It drops off with the grass. See if we can catch a big one in there. I feel like we can. Oh, here we go. There we go. That's a little bitty sucker, but hey, that's two. Or that's three. Three. I forgot. I caught three. I did catch three. One at the beginning. You guys didn't see, but it's a little bitty guy. Backflip. Three for me. Not even in the challenge. Karson is a good fisherman. We're fishing partners. We fished one tournament and we got placed. I think we placed like 20 out of 40 boats, it was a tough day on the water. It was very, very, very windy, very, very cold. Just all around tough. But I caught one fish, Karson caught one, but Carson's didn't keep, so. But hopefully we can get another tournament in, get a video on Riot Doors, get a tournament in. I couldn't video that one. Couldn't video the one we were at because I didn't have a chest thing for my GoPro. But now I do, so. Like a Texas rig, you want to let it fall, pick up, jig it a couple times, let it fall again. See here, when it tugs a little bit, it's not moving, I got grass. It sucks. Hate when that happens. See, grass. Grass, grass, grass. Let's see, here's a drop off right here. There's gonna be a couple big ones. And there might be a couple big ones right here. There's a drop. Good spot right here, but I don't know. It might be a fish here, it might not. So, right here. Yep, like I said, that was a good. Let it run. There you go, good hook set. Little bitty guy. That's 4. It's nice. Getting big. I feel like this one might be bigger. I don't know. I don't think so. It's a little guy. That's 4 for me. What? Little Texas rig. Texas rig. Very good on this grassy area, you know what I'm saying? On the grassy area, you gotta have the Texas rig.
Oh yeah? You read that in the book?
Nope. No. My brain.
Really?
Yeah. Hey Karson, how much you catch?
Huh?
How many you caught?
Well, I caught 6, but he's not counting my 6th one because I forgot to say fish on him.
Huh. Old typical Ukena.
Yeah. It's alright.
Well, Ukena thought he could beat Karson White in a fishing contest, but he couldn't. Karson caught 6, Ukena caught 1. So now Ukena has to climb all the way up there to the zip line and fall in the pond. You know what I'm saying?
You guys are ready.
Alright, I'm ready.
Let me know when you're ready, Karson. Never bet against Karson.
Never bet against Karson.
2, 1, go.
Alright, there he goes. What happens when you bet against Karson? Hey Anthony, is it pretty cold? It's pretty cold, isn't it? Never bet against Karson. Quote from Anthony Ukena.